played that. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, Scarface. What you got for us? Yo, where's my crowd at though? Come on, y'all, make some noise out there. Let's go. You want to respond? Let's go. Make some noise. Y'all. Y'all, come on. Let's go, y'all, make some noise. Yo, where's this crowd at, y'all? Come on. Round one. We in it to win it, y'all. Wet shoes too? Yo, man, what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. For the red eyes. Round two. Round two. Yo, crowd, we need more energy from y'all. Come on. Let's be quiet in here, y'all. We're at maximum capacity. You ready? There we go. Handcuff. Round three, what you got for us? Oakland zone. Ain't never sounded this good. 7 Eastern. I'm gonna need this crowd to turn it up though. Come on, y'all. Match that energy on the floor. Let's go, crowd. Hip-hop's a call and response. Oh, here we go. Scarface, y'all. Whoa. Great, cricket.
That's how you get fucking smoked.
This is serious now, y'all. All up in their face. Let's go. Check that. Let's go. Front floor. Damn, this song go hard. Round 5. 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got the hood mom.
You too, bro.